Hello, welcome back. My name is Kristen. I'm a lover of makeup, wrestling, and the Rocky Horror Picture Show, so if that's something you are interested in, keep on watching. Actually, today I'm just doing my makeup for work. If you've been here before, you know what that entails. I'm just doing my eye makeup. So, this is like a get ready with me. However, this is also a celebration of me uploading every day for 6 months. Oh my god. Didn't think I would get here, quite honestly. Anyways. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this Paris palette. What is this? Passion in Paris by BH Cosmetics, because I got these for free. May as well use them. So, I have an idea of what I want to do. It's something a little bit different I saw in someone else's really old video. So I think I'm going to take this purple color right here and just get on into it. We're going to see if this works. If not, you won't even see this video. So I'm taking a little angled brush. I already put my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on, and I put it eyes, so of course I need to look straight into the camera when I'm doing this, but I am going to stamp. I'm going to stamp this color, wing it out. And then I'm going to bring it in. Yeah, bring it into my crease. Or my fake crease, I don't know. Yes. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, keeping my eyes open. I don't normally complain about my face, but I have a fucking zit right here. I'm very upset. That happened overnight. Okay. So same thing, I'm going to bring it up into my crease. My eyelid was being so good yesterday too, I don't know what happened, but now it's back to being tiny again. Alright, so now I'm just going to fill in, bring this down here, connect it. But I'm going to fill in this area, this triangle. On both sides. Yes, so anyways, as of today, now this video is going to go up on the 7th, I believe. So it's the 6th. The 6th that I have uploaded every day. I just passed a milestone. TubeBuddy alerted me to it. I now have 225 videos up on my channel because of this. So I told my husband yesterday and he went like, wow. I know. I was like, yeah, I know. I'm amazed. I have really stuck to it, and I've been doing what I said I would do. So yeah, again, I'm amazed, he's amazed. I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to take a slightly bigger brush and just to pack on that color here. Yeah, so I wouldn't necessarily advocate doing what I'm doing, but it's been fun. It's been fun. It's given me something to do, other than some other more unsavory things, for sure. Okay, so now I have that on. So basically I'm going to take this color and bring it up into my crease and just basically blending it out. So yeah. Yes, I have done 6 months of uploading, and that's amazing. So there are pros and cons, of course. I think a pro is definitely, it helps you get comfortable on camera, of course. And I mean, you don't even have to post a video though, but you know, it helps for feedback and stuff, but it definitely helps you get more comfortable on camera. Definitely, that's like the biggest pro. It helps you get better at editing faster, because you know exactly what you want to do. A negative, of course, is not being able to do everything you want. I think that's a big thing. Okay, so this color's a lot lighter than I thought it would be once I started blending it out. Yeah, so anyways. Yeah, definitely not being able to do everything I want. I have watched, and I continue to watch, you know, other YouTube gurus and their videos on how to get better, but there's only so much time in the day when you're trying to upload every day, and you know, I might not record every day, but pretty damn close to it. But I just look at it like at the end of the year of recording. It's my road to 40. It's documenting a whole year. Hardly any people, I think, on YouTube can say, I uploaded for a whole year. So, so it's just kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to try going on this other side now, seeing how this works. Again, just trying to blend this color over the crease. Maybe I packed more color on this side because it seems to be working loads better than the other side. Yeah, so anyways, so it's been cool, okay. It's been cool. I'm going to continue to do it, because why not? Alright, I'm actually going to try and go into my powder here, try and help blend this out. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's something I need to do. I think the video I watched, they did this too, so that's why I had that out. Yep, so, yeah, celebration, 6 months. Keep watching my channel because I will have a giveaway for that. It's just I'm going to work today, so I can't, and I didn't get anything ready for that, so just keep watching my channel for that giveaway. Yeah, this is not as dark as I thought it would be, like what it shows in the pan. Once I blended it out. I think this side is better though. That's okay. That's okay. I have not been lately really liking the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer either, so I was thinking about maybe switching it up to using a different one. Maybe that's part of it here, I don't know. Anyways, whatever, good enough to go. Good to go, a little different. So yes, going to work. So I was texting with my, her name is Christy. I was texting with Christy, asking her about, you know, what's up, do I need to back order anything, because I basically take the train down to St. Louis with all my stock. I don't actually work it. We call it deadheading. I'm just basically being paid to take the train. Alrighty, so I'm going to take this white and sparkly and I'm going to do that as my inner corner. So yeah, it's pretty critical to keep in contact with the other people that are working this train because there's no way to get stock when you're actually down there. So I have to take with me everything I need. And in fact, I am taking a freaking chair with me again. I used to take a chair with me on the other trains that I worked, but I'm going to take my chair with me again because it's so busy. I don't want to keep sitting at a table. I'm just going to sit behind the bar as per usual. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brush. I'm going to take this darker purple. Maybe I should have used that one. That's okay. And I'm just going to go underneath my eyes a little bit here. And then I'm going to take the little lighter purple color right there and do it more on the inner. This is the color I was originally using. And just a little bit of that black put on the inside. Okay, so I'm done with this. That works. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this black. This is for my Potion Project Pan stuff. I will link that in the corner if you're interested in seeing what I am wearing. I've mainly tried to basically just push this up in between my eyelashes. Jeez, I almost got my eyeball there. I have such small eyelids, so I try not to do eyelining at all, really, because it just transfers, even if I spray it or whatever. Okay, now mascara. Wow, this video is 14 minutes already. Yeah, anyways, I don't know. I can't think of any like pros and cons of going daily. I'm sure if you had a whole entourage that worked for you, like Casey Neistat. I mean, I don't know what he actually does. I'm just saying, you know, I imagine he had other people editing his videos when he was doing daily. I don't know. But also, he wasn't really like working a job like mine either, so yeah, if you had a whole entourage, it would be super easier to do it. You know, I'm working full time, so it's about 7:45 in the morning right now. My husband's still asleep. My dog's asleep below me. But yeah, I'm probably gonna leave about 9:30 because I need to get there early so that I can try and find a ride to the actual station. So I can park for free in the train yards, which is basically in Chinatown. But yeah, I need to get to the station for this run, unfortunately. So I was really lucky last trip. I was able to contact, it's like a van, but they only take around the conductors and engineers. But if you're nice to them and ask them nicely for a ride, they might give you a ride. I was able to get a ride, but I do have the Uber and Lyft apps on my phone, just in case I need to call for a ride. So I'm just gonna get there an hour early, and it gives me time to get there, which it's like not even a 10-minute drive, but it gives me time to get there, not have to rush, maybe get some food. Oh, the taco place will be open. Oh, I haven't had that in forever. Anyways, so this is the look. I don't know what you think. Let me know. Obligatory photo here. How about this? Hilarious. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here celebrating my 6-month anniversary of uploading daily on YouTube. Like I said, pros, you get better at talking on camera. You get better and faster at editing. Negatives, you don't get to edit nearly as much as you want. You don't get to plan videos as much as you want. I think quality definitely takes a nosedive, although you, like I said, you do get better as time goes on because you're better at talking, better at editing. So it's been interesting, and I'm sure it also depends on what sort of niche you're in. I mean, here I am just doing makeup, so I'm just basically sitting here at a camera talking and doing my makeup. So yes, it's been a trip, and I'm so glad you're here with me, and I'm done with this video. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you later. Bye.